guys, Jake here. Today we're going to be taking a look at an unboxing from Long Weekend Gear. So as some of you may know, Long Weekend is a brand started by very popular YouTuber Willem Verbeek. He created a little line of bags and accessories just for film photographers, basically some little stuff that we'll take a look at right now. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And voila, right into the box. And I also wanted to give a big shout out to Moment for getting this to me in only, I think, 3 days. I live in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, so shipping this from California all the way to Canada in just 3 days is really impressive. Good job, guys. So as soon as you open it up, you guys can see we are greeted by a Long Weekend branding. Not actually sure what this is right here. So I ordered 3 different things. This right here is actually the Crossbody bag. It comes in this really nice little envelope packaging. And then I also got 2 little extra goodies right here, which you can see have some really cute branding on them. And that's it for the box. So before we get into the big package, I'm going to start off with these 2 little guys here. So very first thing right here, let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is the film pouch for just 5 rolls. So they sell 2 versions of this, one for 5 rolls and one for 15. So as you can see right here, this is just a really nice little pouch that's going to hold about 5 canisters of film. It does have a divider right in the middle, so you can separate your used film from your non-used film. So this is just a really convenient, neat little bag that's going to fit really nicely into one of the other packages that I got. So now let's move on to the next tiny little package. And in here we have something even tinier. This is the Long Weekend camera wrist strap. So this is going to be pretty tough to show on here, so I'll show some B-roll right now, but this is just a really nice little black simple wrist strap that's going to fit super nicely on my Fuji X-E4. And finally, the last product that I'm most excited for. Let's get right into this guy. So, of course, being as Long Weekend is a bag brand, I did have to pick up one of their bags. So this is the Long Weekend Sedona Crossbody bag. It's a little bit smaller than the other bag they sell, the Santa Fe, which is not available right now. It's only going to be restocking in early May, it says. But this bag right here is definitely all that I need. I just wanted something a little bit bigger than the one that I already have so that I could fit in my Fuji X-E4 as well as my wallet, keys, and whatever daily stuff I regularly need. But this bag is a beautiful, beautiful design, really simple, really nice materials, really nice zippers as well, actually. So on the interior, we don't have any dividers or anything, just this nice gray pouch. But that is definitely all that I need to fit what I want in this bag. So really quickly, I'll just show you guys size-wise. This is the Fuji X-E4, and this is the crossbody bag. Can easily just toss this guy right in there, zip it up no problem, and throw in some extra stuff. This may also not be the highest quality strap. As you can see, it is just held on by this string right here. So I don't know if I would recommend putting a very heavy camera in this, but as long as it's small enough to fit in this bag, should be light enough for it as well. So that is it for my little Long Weekend unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to purchase anything from the Long Weekend collection, I will leave a link down in the description. Huge shout out to Willem for making these awesome products. I'm super excited to get into using them on the daily. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.